What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Power Rangers, guys. And today you can see I have the Power Red right here, guys, and today we're gonna be battling with the zombies. Alright guys, I think the zombies might be following me right now, and okay, they already started, guys. And also today, guys, we don't have any guns because a lot of you guys were saying Power Rangers only fight, and I know that. Of course it's a game and we try to make it a little bit more fun, but today we're gonna try and see if we can actually fight the zombies without any guns or weapons. Alright, so let's start it right here. You can see, guys, they're trying to attack them. Okay, come get out here. Get it. There you go. Come on. There you go. Nice. Look at that. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Look at that, guys. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa. Get out of here. There you go. Look at Paw Pink. Whoa. Help. There you go. There you go. Nice. Oh no. Oh no. There you go. There you go. Guys, you see the Power Rangers there? They're working. Whoa. Well, be careful. There you go. There you go, green. There you go. There you go, blue. Nice. Guys, look at the Power Pink right there, guys. You see the Ranger Pink over there? Wow. She is pretty strong. Oh, he is pretty strong. The yellow one is the sheep. Whoa! Whoa! Okay. Help! There you go. Look at that guy. There you go. Miss. Hey. Come on. Get at it. Get it. Do you see the pink one, guys? They're not dying. Jeez. Get out of it. There you go. There you go. There you go. How many are they, guys? Jeez. Uh-oh. Guys, I think more are coming. You see that? Whoa. No. No. There you go. There you go. Look at guys. Look at the other Rangers, guys. They're helping us. Look at that. Help. Help us. Oh. Get out. Get. Oh. Oh. Guys. No. No. There you go. Oh. No. 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 There you go. No. Is the Ranger there? Okay, the Ranger's good. The Ranger's good, guys. Let's run. Let's run here. Let's take our time a little bit, guys. Alright? Let's take our time here. 1 second. Let's come here. There you go. Oh my god, they're still coming, guys. The Rangers. The zombies. Look at them, guys. Come on. There you go. Help. There you go. Look at that, guys. Look at that. There you go. The pink, guys, I think is one of the most powerful Rangers, if I'm not wrong. Oh! He managed to get up there. Really? Get at it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah, finished. Jeez, God, they're not stopping. What? Get her. Get her. There you go, green. There you go. 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 Oh. Oh. Come on, why is the yellow not helping, guys? Whoa. There we go. Alright. Let's jump here. No! Alright, let's see, guys, if they're gonna do any work here. Uh-oh, the yellow is... I think, guys, the yellow is one of the weakest one, if I'm not wrong. You should leave a comment to tell me, guys. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! 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 No! We lost the Blue Ranger guy. Oh, no. Oh, oh, look at the pink one, guys. No, he's stuck. Oh! We lost the pink one as well, guys. Oh! No! Whoa! Whoa! No! They're not dying, guys. They're just coming and coming and coming and coming. There you go. Ah! Alright, guys. So, guys, you see, this is what happens without any guns. It's pretty tough. Oh my god, I think we lost like 2 or 3 Rangers. 2 Rangers. Oh my. There you go. Get her. Get her. Get her. Get her. There you go. Whew. Alright. Let's go up here again, guys. Oh! No. One more. One more zombie. Go one more zombie, guys. There you go. Okay, dead. I think we finished them. Did we finish all of them, guys? Did we finish them? Alright, I think they're gone, right? They're gone. Oh boy, look at it, guys. We only have 3 rangers remaining. Wow. 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 Alright, guys, so let's try one more time. But this time around, we're going to try to use guns, guys, alright? Because without guns, it's a little bit tough. Alright, so let's try this time around without guns. Alright. Alright, guys, we are back now. You can see we are heavily armed right here. The rangers are ready to fight the zombies. Alright. I think they might be somewhere here, guys, so let's start the war. Alright. Oh, there they go. Okay, it started, guys. Alright, alright. It's getting crazy, guys. It's getting crazy. It's getting crazy. Come on, Rangers. Whoa. Wait, what? What? Uh-oh. What was that shooting? The Rangers guys did not shoot there. You know what? Let's just remove these guys right here, alright? Here we go. Come here. And what we're gonna do, guys, should come here. And oh! Oh boy. This what happened? What? Did you see that? What? Alright, let's clear this, guys. Okay. There we go. Come here. It's gonna be war, guys. We're gonna start the war right now. There we go. Whoa. Alright. We gotta run. There we go. There we go. Come on. Guys, why are the Rangers not shooting? Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. There you go. Whoa. What? Wait, he's not dead? There you go. I think 2 more zombies guys ran away. You saw that? There's somewhere there. Did they manage to escape? What? Alright, guys. There you go. Another battle has started. Whoa. 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 Look at that. Oh my god. The zombies are everywhere. What? There you go. There you go. Okay, guys, the Rangers are doing the job right now. Okay. Where is it? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Did I get him? There you go. We did it, guys? Did we kill all of them? Did we kill all of them, guys? Wait. Jeez, there were so many. What? Wow. We did it, guys. Woo! So that was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Whoa! I hope you enjoyed this battle between the Power Rangers and the zombies. And of course, if you want to see more, be sure to drop a like. And don't forget, tell me in the comment section what you want to see more with the Power Rangers. Alright, so that was it. Thank you for watching, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Peace!
Здравейте, аз съм Шаро Хекси, както виждате днес играме GTA 5 и днес сме с Цунами мода. Добре, да факт, момент бързо да се включа God мода. Добре, той е включен, не знам как, не съм пипал нищо. В момента, както виждате, съм с Франклин. Надявам се да не ме изяде някоя кула. Много от вас искаха да снимам на Цунами мода. Да факт, как умирам бе, нали God мода е включен? Бла. Добре, играта бъгна. Пишеше, че е включен God мода. Но от вас исках да разтивам на Цунами модата. Най-накрая го правя. Преди време също ми предлагахте, но тогава не знам защо играта ми бъгваше и то жестоко ми бъгваше. Така. Се надявам, че сега ще останем живи до края. Също така искам да припомня някой от вас, който е забравил, днес ще има лайв стрим от 9:30 вечерта, ви чакам в Twitch. Не съм инсталирал най-големия Цунами мод, само това с Big Waves. Мисля, че е достатъчно голям, колкото да има вода в града. Целият Лос Сантос е потопен. Тази жена се разхожда върху сградите. Добре. Само се надявам някоя кула да не ме изяде. Добре, жено, спасявай се веднага. Добре, да отидем на някъде, хора. Чай сега. Аз съм инсталирал един друг мод. Само активиран ли е? Добре. Не, момент. Айде бе. Ето сега е активиран, добре. Само трябва да излезна. Някъде разтъпя на земя, за да излета от тука, моля. What? Добре, ето тук няма вода, да речеме. Това God мод е бава ли си с мене? Аз God мод ли се включил или това за невидимостта? Че тук има такава опция на този мод за невидимост. Част колкото гледам. Момент. Бързо. Нямам идея защо умирам. Просто нямам идея защо умирам. Добре. Сейф хауса, бързо. Не, и тук е вода. Сушина. Добре, графиката бъгва. Значи Сейф хаус 2 е под суша. Така, сега да си спалнеме, да речеме един хеликоптер. И да разгледаме какво се случва точно в Лос Сантос. Надявам се играта да не крашне или поне ако крашва да бъде поне един или два пъти. Че последния път казах изобщо даже не може да го включа този мод. Нямам идея защо. Също така този мод включва и да няма никъде вода. Това ще го разгледам обаче в друг клип, тъй че сега да разгледаме това. Мале, то как бъгва графиката просто. Какво ли ще се става в юникорна? Добре, да видим точно как водата идва. Защо не иска да завърти? Добре. Момент. Да кацаме, да речеме на строежа. Да видим на коя сграда обаче, че той половината е под вода. Та тук по-високата. Не, всъщност ако каца тука. Добре. Сега да видим за мале то залязва слънцето. Добре, така че да върнем малко времето назад. Добре, поне това работи. Да паузнеме. Само ви казах, не знам защо не ми се активира това нещо. Иначе мога да се направя. Дали ако се направя. Сега ще го пробваме това. Не, то за скиновете беше някъде другаде. Не, всъщност тук беше. Някъде трябваше да имам. Не това. За различните скинове на героя. Само че тук забравих как беше. Няма значение. Така. Отиваме на Vehicles и да видиме. Така. Motorcycle Place Boats. Да се надяваме, че ще има. Естествено, че ще го има. Така, само да видим къде да го спанеме. Клопна ли във водата?